Hello everyone, this is Mr. Fung with tonight's All for Strings assignment and demonstrations. We are looking at All for Strings pages 25 and 26. We're going to go through numbers 89, 90, 93, 94, and 95. And I'm going to switch between many different instruments today because every single instrument has some special quality that they have to focus on, especially now that we're going to be playing two flats. Remember, everything is still natural except B and E. B and E are flattened. And keep your eyes open when we're playing this because there are some accidentals, which means that sometimes they'll throw in a natural symbol or sometimes they'll throw in a sharp symbol. And remember the rule. If you see a change in the measure, say a natural symbol or a sharp symbol in that measure, it only pertains to that particular measure. Once you go to the next measure, it is reverting back to the original key signature rule. So we're going to start with 89. You're going to see in both the bass and the cello parts, there are some one-half fractions there, or x1, which means extended 1. For cellos, you're extending your first finger back up towards the scroll. For basses, you're usually in first position. That 1/2 fraction means that you're going to be in half position, where if you're on the A string, you're going to flatten that B by bringing the 1 from this regular B natural up to here for B flat, and that's for basses. So here's 89. I'm just going to go right through it. Give you 3 counts, and then we will begin. Set. 1, 2, 3. Number 5. 1, 2, next line, number 9. Now you see me wiggling my hand here, you know what it is. I am vibrating so I can make it sound more lyrical, like singers. Just a quick reminder, if you feel that I'm going too quickly, pause the video, practice it a few times, and then rewind the tape so that you can practice it with me at that quicker tempo. I'm going to play number 90 now, Star Spangled Banner, on the bass. We will do the repeats on this video so that we get some good practice in. Okay, so know your geography. We're repeating the top line, that first line, and so we'll play the top line twice, and then we'll go on to the second line where number 9 is. Nice and easy. Basses, check out the number, the fraction, the half. So you're going to be in first position here, but you're going to move your hand back. And you can rely on the Roman numerals and the finger numbers. They are very good, very accurate. I'll give you 2 counts and we will begin. Set. 1, 2. Repeat. 13. 1 and 2. And although that sounded like a very low drone, because it's the bass, that's okay. Try to listen for the pitch, match some of the pitch even if you're playing the cello, viola, or violin. Let's turn it over to the back and find number 93. On number 93, you will find the G minor scales and arpeggios. As I mentioned in class today, or a few days ago if you're watching this over the weekend, play the top line first, and then repeat, and then play the bottom line. Get some more practice in. Keep your eyes open for the naturals, some sharps, and if you look at the key signature at the beginning of both lines, we have B flats and E flats. It's not supposed to sound like a G scale, but because it's a minor scale, we're making it sound more sad, more different in pitch. So here is letter A. I will do the repeat. I'll play the top line first, and then on the repeat I will play the bottom line. Now for basses, you only have one line here, and that's okay. Just play it twice. Set. Very slowly. 1, 2, letter A, 93, go. Repeat, bottom line, letter A again. Letter B, top line, ready, go. Lift, repeat, letter B, bottom line, go. Next line, letter C, top, ready, go. Bow lift, bottom line, go. And then letter D, arpeggios, which is another term for skipping scales. Here is the top line, letter D, go. Bow lift. Now if you're playing violin, you should not be using the open E string because the open E string is a natural E. So how to create an E flat? It's as if we're playing fourth finger on the A string for E, and then we're going to lower it right next to the third finger for E flat. That was the top line of letter D. Let's go to the bottom line of letter D. Ready, go. Okay, and here is number 94, Russian melody. A little bit quicker too, because we want to play things a little bit faster. It should be joyful. And it says allegro, which equals fast. So something like this: 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, ready, go. Next line. And the last note with a 4 and a plus symbol means a left-hand pizzicato. Here is number 5. Very easy. We'll also move a little bit quicker here. Something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 95. Now, as I mentioned before, if I'm going too fast in this video, pause the video, take some time to practice it, and then rewind me and do it many times. Play it well, play it accurately, and